everybody. Jerry and Teddy back again.
Here we are. Teddy and Jerry. So, we sing for our friends at Sunrise. And we got the Sunrise Singers, and then we have our friends like my buddy Don, Paul, Mercedes, Diane. There's a whole group of people upstairs, Avis. You guys are just, we miss you guys, right? Anna, Ted's mom. I'm sorry, I can't believe I said that. I was waiting for you to say that. And, you know, a lot of people that sing with us all the time. Mo's up there and singing with us. And we have a really, really good time. And the staff does a good job of singing with us. So Don and I would talk about different songs to do. And when we did this, he got a biggest kick out of this because it starts, you know, slow and works up into a frenzy. Anyway, so there's a lot of memories we've got, and we miss you guys. So hope to see you soon. Stay safe, be well. So this is I've Been Working on the Railroad. Everybody knows this. I've been working on the railroad all the livelong day. I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away. Can't you hear the whistle blowing? Rise up so early in the morning. Can't you hear the bells chiming? Time I'll blow your horn. Someone in the kitchen and someone in the kitchen I know. Someone in the kitchen and I know. Someone on the old man road. B-5, B-I-O, B-5, B-I-O, B-5, B-I-O. Strumming on the old banjo. That was a lot of fun. Okay, hope you like all these videos. We miss all of you guys. We hope to see you soon.
Yeah.
Who knows what's going on. Anyway, again, be safe,
Be happy.
be well.
See you later.
From Jerry and Teddy. Teddy and Jerry.